Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect friends, controller, and Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to settings, and then go to host tab, and from here go ahead and scroll until you see the section that says virtual gamepad type. And then you can select Xbox 360 or DualShock or DualSense. And if it's a USB gamepad, you can basically choose Parsec Virtual USB, which will be required download and installing this driver here. Now, also in the same tab, go ahead and scroll back up and find exclusive input mode, and make sure to turn it off if it's already enabled. And then your friends should have their controller plugged in their computer locally. And if they open Parsec, they will need to go to the gamepad tab, and from here they should be able to detect any connected controller. And if the controller is not being detected, they can try to unplug it and then replug it back again. Also, you can go ahead and try to restart Parsec by right-clicking on the bottom right and press restart. All you need to do is invite them to the session. So if you are the host, you can go back to computers and start sharing here and copy the link and send it to your friend. Once you send it, your friend can paste it in this box down below and press the join button. And once your friend is connected to the host, you should see the connected clients down below here. I'll show you how it looks like on the bottom left. It should look like that. So just click on the gamepad to grant permissions. And if you see a check mark, that means it's enabled. If it says cross, it means it's disabled. So make sure to enable that. Now you can basically start the game and whatever you're trying to do. You can use a controller from your machine and your friend's machine. That's pretty much it from this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.